How to create and share a playlist on Spotify. If you're using the Spotify mobile app and want to create and share your own playlist, here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Spotify app on your phone and tapping on your library at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the plus icon labeled Create Playlist. You'll be asked to give your playlist a name, type it in and tap Create. Once your playlist is created, tap Add Songs to start filling it with music. Now that your playlist is ready, sharing it is easy. Go to the playlist page and tap the three-dot menu at the top right. Then tap Share. You'll see options to copy the link or share directly through messaging apps, social media, or even via QR code. You can send it to friends, post it to your Instagram story, or drop the link anywhere you want others to listen. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.